For my 1,000th subscriber, they will get a beautiful dinner of a tomahawk steak, roasted Parisian potatoes, and they'll have a Sawmill Blizzard for dessert. Want to say hello to Roslyn in Pangasinan, Ordaneta. Roslyn, thank you for being a great supporter of the channel. See you soon in Palawan City. Today we're gonna make the Sawmill Blizzard. We're gonna use some Skittles, some Reese's, vanilla ice cream to make the Sawmill Blizzard on a donut. Today we're gonna make the Sawmill Blizzard on a donut. Come check it out. We got a beautiful, delicious donut with a cookie on top. The Sawmill Blizzard is vanilla ice cream, some Skittles, and some Reese's cups. Nice scoop of vanilla ice cream. Get some Skittles, some Reese's peanut butter cups. We're gonna get some Skittles. Look at that delicious goodness. The Sawmill Blizzard, Reese's and Skittles. Look at that delicious goodness. The Sawmill Blizzard. Beautiful dessert. Guys, let me know if you like it. Leave it in a comment. Like, subscribe, and share. Sawmill Blizzard.